At the course level, WIDS gives you an easy way to design course outcomes or competencies. WIDS even has a library to help. For each competency, you can drill down and write learning objectives and performance standards to further define the competency. You can also create learning plans, and because everything is driven by outcomes, your learning plans link back to course competencies. Your course can also have assessments, complete with target outcomes, directions, and rubrics. At the program level, you write program outcomes, then define performance standards for each of those outcomes, just like you did at the course level. And of course, WIDS lets you connect courses to the program. You can assign program outcomes to courses and define how outcomes are addressed. Are they introduced, practiced, or assessed? You can also create program-level assessments with directions and rubrics, then assign them to appear in specific program courses. Need the curriculum laid out in a report? WIDS has that too. WIDS has dozens of customizable reports to print, to save, or create links to, all at your fingertips. There's so much more you can do with WIDS when designing curriculum. Contact us to see a demo.